There are certain acts which are mustahib while drinking water. They are as follows. Water should be drunk slowly as if it was sucked. 2. During daytime, one should drink water while standing. 3. One should say Bismillah before drinking water and Alhamdulillah after drinking. 4. One should drink water in 3 sips. 5. One should drink water when one feels thirsty. And 6. After drinking water, one should remember Imam Hussain and his Ahlul Bayt, and curse the enemies who slew him. It is unworthy to drink too much water. To drink water after eating fatty food, and to drink water while standing during the night. It is also unworthy to drink water with one's left hand, to drink water from the side of a container which is cracked or chipped off, or from the side of its handle.